collected broken things. Hello everyone. Today I want to tell you a beautiful story. The story is about kindness and hidden value. Once upon a time, there was a girl named Lily. Lily lived in a small town near a river. She was 16 years old. Her family was poor. Her father worked as a carpenter. Her mother stitched old clothes for neighbors. Lily had one strange habit. She collected broken things. She picked up broken toys. She kept old books with torn pages. She saved cracked cups and damaged clocks. Everyone in the town laughed at her. They called her the girl of useless things. But Lily never became angry. She simply smiled. She believed that every broken thing still had a purpose. One day, she found an old wooden box beside the road. The box was covered with dust. Its lock was broken. Inside the box were many small pieces of colored glass. The pieces looked worthless. Lily carefully carried the box home. Her mother asked, "Why did you bring this junk again?" Lily smiled and said, "Maybe it can become something beautiful." Every evening, Lily cleaned the glass pieces. She separated them by color. Red pieces went into one basket. Blue pieces went into another basket. Green pieces filled a third basket. Days passed. Weeks passed. On rainy afternoon, the town lost electricity. Darkness covered every house. People lit candles. Suddenly, Lily had an idea. She took the glass pieces. She placed them around all jars. She made colorful lanterns. When she lit a candle inside one jar, the room filled with beautiful colors. The walls danced with red and blue lights. Her mother was amazed. She said, "This is beautiful." Lily made another lantern, then another, then another. Soon, the small house was glowing with colorful light. The next morning, a neighbor visited them. She saw the lanterns. She immediately wanted one. Lily gave her a lantern as a gift. The neighbor loved it. She told everyone in the town. Soon many people came to Lily's house. They wanted colorful lanterns too. Lily began making more. She used every broken glass piece. She worked day and night. Her father helped her make wooden stands. Her mother tied ribbons around the jars. The small family worked together. People from nearby villages heard about the lanterns. More orders arrived. Months later, Lily's lanterns became famous. She earned enough money to repair their old house. She bought new clothes for her parents. She even helped poor children buy school books. One day, the mayor visited her. He asked, "How did you create such beauty?" Lily smiled. Then she held a broken piece of glass in her hand. She said, "People saw garbage. I saw possibility. People saw something broken. I saw something waiting to shine." The mayor remained silent. Her words touched his heart. Soon, the town built a small workshop for Lily. She taught children how to create useful things from old objects. The children learned to repair instead of throwing things away. The town slowly changed. People stopped laughing at broken things. They began to see value everywhere. Years later, Lily became known as the Lantern Girl. Visitors came from many places to see her colorful creations. But she never forgot her lesson. She always kept a small broken piece of glass on her table. Whenever someone asked why, she would smile and say, even broken things can light the world. And that is the end of the story. The moral of the story is simple. Never judge something because it looks broken. Sometimes the most beautiful things come from what others throw away. And sometimes people, like broken glass, only need a little light to shine again.